Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very exciting and interesting recipe. We are going to make this special Andhra-style chicken Kaaram Podi. Now this is a very nice spicy side dish that you can enjoy with steamed rice or with Idli or Dosa. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I have taken quarter kg of boneless chicken pieces. To the chicken pieces, add quarter teaspoon of salt, pinch of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, and mix everything well so that the chicken absorbs all the flavors beautifully. This simple marination step gives the chicken a delicious taste from the inside. Well, this is for all the chicken lovers. What is your all-time favorite Andhra chicken dish? Let me know in the comment section. Now heat a wide pan and add enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is nice and hot, add one large onion that has been thinly sliced. Fry the onions patiently until they turn crispy and golden brown in color. The fried onion adds a lovely sweetness and depth of flavor to our chicken podi. Once done, remove the onions from the oil and keep them aside. Next, let's fry the garlic. I have taken one whole garlic pulp, remove the skin and fry the garlic cloves until they turn crispy and aromatic. Garlic plays a very important role in this recipe because it gives that beautiful and earthy flavor to the podi. If you love garlic, you can definitely add a little extra for that even stronger flavor. Once fried, drain and keep the garlic along with the onions. Now keep the flame on low and fry 6 dry red chilies. Now I'm frying them along with the stock to prevent the seeds from spreading into the oil. These chilies are spicy, so I am using only 6, but if you prefer a little more heat, you can increase the quantity according to your taste. Fry them gently, remove them from the oil and keep them aside. In the same pan, fry the marinated chicken pieces. Fry them in batches so they cook evenly. Keep the flame on medium-low and allow the chicken to cook slowly until it becomes nice and crispy on the outside. Look how beautifully the chicken has cooked, perfectly fried and full of flavor. Drain the chicken pieces and keep them aside. Finally, turn off the flame and add a few curry leaves to the remaining heat in the pan. Fry them until they become nice and crispy. The aroma of this roasted curry leaves takes this podi to a whole new level. Now allow all the roasted ingredients to cool completely. Once cooled, transfer the roasted chicken pieces into the mixer jar and pulse it a few times. We don't want a fine powder. We need a slightly coarse and shredded texture. Now add the fried red chilies after removing the stalk, followed by the roasted garlic, crispy curry leaves and fried onions. Pulse again a few times until everything combines well. Once you get that perfect coarse texture, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for the beautiful color, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon rock salt. Grind everything once again until all the flavors come together. And that's it, our delicious and aromatic chicken podi is ready. The moment you open the mixer jar, the amazing aroma of roasted chicken, garlic, onions and spices fills the entire kitchen. This chicken podi is packed with flavor and it's a perfect side dish for so many meals. Serve it hot with steaming rice and a spoonful of ghee and enjoy a simple yet delicious meal. It also tastes wonderful with soft idlis and crispy dosas. Well, the chicken Kaaram Podi is done and I've mixed it with some nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee. And it's time to enjoy. Wow. The flavors are all perfectly balanced. It is so tasty, especially with rice. It's just incredible. So you can see the recipe is very simple and straightforward. Make sure to refrigerate it and you can enjoy this for up to 3 to 4 days. So do give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.